The axolotl, whose Nahuatl name means water monster, is a neotenic salamander endemic to the lake system of the Valley of Mexico, especially the remnants of Lake Xochimilco. Neoteny is a fascinating characteristic that means the axolotl retains its larval features, such as external gills and a caudal fin, into adulthood, and is capable of reproduction without undergoing the typical metamorphosis of other salamanders. An unmistakable appearance, the perpetual smile and feathery gills. The axolotl has an elongated and slender body, generally about 15 to 30 centimeters, or 6 to 12 inches in length, although some individuals can grow larger. Its smooth skin can exhibit a variety of colors, including black, brown, gold, white, often with dark or reddish eyes, and a pale pink that is common in captivity. However, its most distinctive features are feathery external gills, 3 pairs of branched gills that protrude from the sides of its head, resembling a crown of feathers. These gills are rich in blood vessels and are essential for respiration in the water. A parent smile, the shape of its mouth gives it a facial expression that resembles a permanent smile, contributing to its charm. Caudal fin, a fin that runs almost the entire length of its body, helping it swim with undulating movements, small dark eyes that give it a curious look. A home in danger, the climate and ecosystem of Xochimilco. The axolotl is native to the lakes of the Valley of Mexico, an area with a temperate highland climate. The average annual temperature ranges between 15 and 18 degrees Celsius, or 59 and 64 degrees Fahrenheit, with well-defined rainy seasons in the summer. Its natural habitat, Lake Xochimilco, is characterized by a system of canals and chinampas, artificial floating islands for agriculture, with relatively calm waters, abundant aquatic vegetation, and a water temperature that varies seasonally but generally remains cool. Sadly, the axolotl's natural habitat has suffered a drastic reduction due to urbanization, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species. This has led the axolotl to the brink of extinction in the wild. Astonishing regeneration powers, a marvel of nature. One of the most fascinating characteristics of the axolotl is its incredible capacity for regeneration. They can regenerate entire limbs, including bones, muscles, and nerves, without leaving a scar. They can even regenerate parts of their brain and spinal cord with almost perfect functionality. This unique ability has made the axolotl an important model organism for scientific research in areas such as regenerative medicine. Behavior: a tranquil predator with nocturnal habits. In its natural habitat, the axolotl is a carnivorous predator. It feeds on small invertebrates, insect larvae, crustaceans, and small fish. They are primarily active at night and spend much of the day hidden among aquatic vegetation or on the bottom of the lake. Their movement is generally slow and undulating. Fun fact number 1. Unlike many other salamanders, axolotls rarely suffer from cancer. Scientists are investigating their regeneration mechanisms with the hope of finding clues to understand and treat diseases in humans. Fun fact number 2, axolotls may eat rocks or small amounts of gravel. It is believed that this helps them with digestion or maintaining their balance in the water. The axolotl in captivity, an ambassador for its species. Due to its critical status in the wild, most axolotls found today live in captivity, in research laboratories and as exotic pets. Their maintenance in aquariums requires specific conditions, cold and clean water. The water temperature should be kept between 16 and 20 degrees Celsius, or 61 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Proper feeding: a diet of earthworms, bloodworms, daphnia, or specific commercial axolotl food. Quiet environment: avoid strong currents and provide hiding places. Captive breeding is crucial for the conservation of the species and for scientific research. A symbol of Mexico culture and conservation. The axolotl is not only a biological marvel, but also a cultural symbol of Mexico. Its image appears in murals, crafts, and pre-Hispanic legends. The growing awareness of its endangered status has spurred conservation efforts both nationally and internationally. Projects in Xochimilco seek to restore its natural habitat and promote reproduction in controlled environments to eventually reintroduce individuals into the wild. The axolotl is an extraordinary creature that reminds us of the fragility of ecosystems and the importance of conservation. Its regenerative capacity inspires us and offers hope for the future of medicine. With its enigmatic smile, this Mexican water monster continues to captivate hearts and minds around the world.